Try
Today
your new
video
voice
is
clone.
on Instagram secrets. So watch these videos clearly and notice these important settings.
Never post reels until you turn on these three Instagram settings. Number 1. Go to edit profile and click on category. Now select your target audience profile category. Number 2. Now go to tools and controls and make sure your account type is creator. Finally, number 3. Go to account center and click on your information and permissions. Now clear your search history and also disconnect future active. Never post reels until you check these three settings. First, before posting your reels, go to your insights and click new followers. Now check when your followers are most active, then post before 30 minutes. Second, go to your profile settings and click on sharing and reuse. Then turn on all of these options. Lastly, third, while uploading your reel, click on more options and make sure these options are turned on. You will never grow until your content reaches to more non-followers. Instead, do these three settings to reach more non-followers. First, go to your account settings, scroll down and click on content preferences. Then make sure to turn off this suggested post option. Second, go to your account privacy and make sure to turn on this SEO setting to rank on Google. Lastly, go to edit profile in desktop mode and activate this suggested profile option.